enuanom ya mama kwa ba enne dwumadie bo me nkomo no de ejadam be se me ba na wo ha no o start no obonwom fine na mani gidi nyom ho sata na me ye TGI for metro so no me hwe me ba ya na me se bra me hwe so na wonwum ye me de o ka obonwom no nsankwa bi na o ye la bi na say ye ntene ka wonwom side asa ye tene ka wo amanyosam kakra na wagya nwom na say what is he up to now minia plus akwawa what do bakona ba
there's a old members number
so oye bakola no old members number it is say
yeah
say na make no buy hey a small boy we enu bia odigu ho no so kasi me before ba so kra na
yeah miensa yes Christmas back before 2007 Congress
okay
yeah back tamana osafoma for campaign the campaign you know oh yeah adie ye ya say no na oh yeah no ye say eh you dey gidie o mu
edi say wagya nwom no because now
and you know say akoye Asen when
so it in the pusa ba mo ayanyum
never man nyame abana once say no ba nyame sem say nyame twerɛ no twerɛ ba ko no nsan kofo na so de nti onsan twerɛ bi ba ko na ye kan nti no ye sure say enyum no so no Asen when e bia ye beto abana mehwɛ kromu a te say na 2016 me ya ban bebo mu hwɛ kromu na ye hwɛ ne ye kwa betumi amama ye
enyumbi just when say they would need to depend on the basic no. I see
my emotional musician
na say plus say they say na make no that's why I trick politics because say campaign no buy no campaign season betray mu no campaign for na fine and now Ghana for so adwin there say what campaign man there na MPP ni plus MPP ni Ghana they say well nim ye ni la bia plus a campaign for na plus MPP ni afia say ohun nem bia wani hu no no say beka ohum enti say no MP for no dwa wo like akra say na wo kra we dey say afia say mo na da koto abontin say na NDC for so na blast say no say akwa say o kan no kra pa Ghana no enti mo enti enu me say me fro na me no abonkomo say what you call politics mu na say you are campaigning for MPP what's some dream because they say no I say wokasa for Ghana I say focus a shift be say cheche me mu na me nya kasa be
obia obeka so ye NDC and I say MPP no or ye NDC and MPP because or GD say the party name na betumi aye o man ni and so we NDC ni because we expect to say NDC by ABC. Unfortunately, you know, enipa bebre ho say me MPP ni, but MPP ni ba power no I conformist. Onya bibi obedi ana say afi de na brabo esesa. Afi asam na oka ohun say enra enye no ene ohun say enye bi. Owo opposition na say dollar cut 3.7 ohun say Ghana be gu ani. But oba ban mu na e 5 for be more reason. Because Mahama yes by time our opposition dey when who say Kwame Nkrumah ye bibia affect Mahama omo nka no kre ade a obeka na enne no oba power obeka na differently ye wo opposition no na ye nim say corruption no woyo me sika nipa na oye dede pa na ye matena medu woyo me and no special prosecutor and so woyo me case no ya ajane no indefinitely. So MPP ni be who anything wrong with it. At least NDC time crowd no more courts by year try and only a year campaign. So MPP for bar power. Asem no say ye to share da ye nim da cry be can asem ni bie. Enti no enye say bia ma shift. But agreement now ye ma MPP now was for a better Ghana. And that is exactly what we are doing now. It's a kind of NDC for co-positioning. omu hu Kwame Plus or kind of crepa
and so more power than a power.
MPP for na me no me campaign na ye ka de enye no and no omu ye me enemies and then me your enemies me your enemy say MPP for opposition and ne ombe me na fofo NDC for na and now me am na for no
so your enemies
normal anytime you be say a typical example is multimedia. And this is for some boycotting multimedia. Because I'm saying multimedia bomb we chino. Certain MPP for neko. And then people are boycotting multimedia. And then this is for neko. Ghana, your problem number one is NDC and MPP. As
parties no.
It's Obia ope so oman ko nenim irrespective of your political affiliation no. I was say what to me ehun say oman here every good citizen defends his country all the time and his party when they deserve it.
But every good citizen defends the country all the time and the party
when they deserve it.
When they deserve it.
Oh my Ghana dear, time be I'll say you do oh my Ghana echi. I'll say support you oh my Ghana because oh my ye where ni MPP ni NDC dear. So omo ye ade na eya na ka so oh ade am ye dear eye but the focus should be Ghana. Say winya contract o, say we nya bi o, say ya increase wo contract o, say ya tisu o, say ya ji o. The most important thing is Ghana be ye. Into won't me ye keep quiet and chop. Ye din na didi. Me meti be brain MPP for be brain. Kwame ye din na didi. Woman me Bank of Ghana kra dia wo de cheme ade anya no.
Ye too for say ye din na didi o.
Oh be brain. Be brain.
Just say wa ban aba. Wa ban. De o hwe bia sabaka. Ti ye din na di kakra.
Na ebe ye den. And ye to me I build it on my way for the next generation. On my way, after independence, now you enjoy no be woo ye. Any baby woo ye, Emma Yang. Almost 70s, almost 60s. Time no more school or Legon. Now your mom will be free. Nani pa ba koda dan ba ko. Na your mom beer allowance. Na your mom vacation job.
4 o'clock na no tea.
4 o'clock beer.
You take a tea break.
Ene enipa be 10 no mo da dan ba ko omo ni vacation jobs omo ni 4 o'clock tea omo ni beer allowance omo san to school fees bebre eso NDC for ni MPP for no omo fere ade omo sori ano mo akọ so omo kọ form test con ni 10 obi na siesie ni awo da mu ma wo no eden na wo siesie ye ma omo ba nei it is a we young person. That's a usudio machia. These guys didn't prepare anything for you. They didn't think about that for you.
Now, the what can be just a no crepa say, me and Hammy say, Boko University say they will test your thing. You have a
Bibia, I work on and net. NDC MPP. Our ball. Say say Ghana blaster you NDC go and MPP go. Ye she go a we NDC ni na share. Ye she go a we MPP ni na share. Ye blaster bobo a na now the president here there. Be this NDC for bebre ye mo anka ye be yi from first round because ye could win here because nana
be jinchia no.
Yes. And nana no so kan say win no nka say your no Nigeria. Enti no Bibia, now say you're kidnappers. Now NDC for MPP for TV so. Hey, argument. Hey, Munipa. We say Munipa. Hey, Munipa. We say Rabi Munipa. The biggest problem this country has. Hey, NDC and MPP.
See, sine wokan ya. Asema etete opa.
Asema etete mia. E wo say etete obia.
Matise say minim say no cry. Na be say oba ha me bisa. Tina minka so far no say no opese enkofo a omugina finfini me nya ndisi nya NPP me dem ye Ghana wo friend the people power the people's project.
Yes,
Patrick Church people's project me
say no idea was said by Ghana and say I will see reduce the power of NDC and MPP omo mienu together. I will say To say we won't pay MPP out per mine, NDC. Then on Baby different. And you know, mean to me, sorry, say, and then a fee MPP may go NDC. Oh, can catch MPP, Omoma me back. NDC MPP. And you know, ye Pedro and Pempen Subia, I was sending Pano to me come home. NDC MPP, I quite share ye trimusa without Omomi no my Ghana and Koso, and you're not correct. I was sending partner one mind to me come home. Into the year started the People's Project to put together 1 million people. Ghana election be a we 500,000 votes free election about second round. In 2016, Nana Dunya 900 and something thousand votes ahead of John Mahama, and that gave him 53 or say BB. Senka Obi we need Papa Sindum, we need 600,000 because our election year second round. Like a Papa to me, we need 600,000 votes. And this in MPP, no, only are strong to send you home na debi so be Ghana so forever. If we are able to put 1 million people together, 1 million.
Is that the objective of the People's Project?
The People's Project.
You're looking for 1 million people.
Nipa 1 million per every election. Send nipa the be decided baby enko.
Okay,
so bufua say won to baby one. It won't change. Say obi in president. Who 212 obi be president. Enipa 10 to aba obi the whole Ghana obi antone nipa 10 per to obi be reading. Enti no won't mention fi say won to aba. Obi nkrofo be to aba ma obi be di so. Enti na wo say nipa 1 million ye kan ye ho bom from all walks of life. Ti say no bi say ebenya wo hi ebi ne yete ha ye kan nipa bebre hwe bom nkomo. Omo ne ye bo omo nkomo. Se mon be join TPP. Ye pese election bi edu a ye ne NDC ne MPP fo ni nyina chance ne we have to make demands.
It is the TPP enye party na mo
te party ye against ye hia nipa omo be come ho abo
as a block, political block.
Ye betumi aka kire NDC ne MPP say afi we when the person win election no NDC for say yan MPP for say yan say okay ye pay 20-year development plan ama Omai Ghana. Omai Ghana ye basa dodo. Donald Trump ye America president issues awenya. Theresa May in the Brexit deal. Senka Omai ni plan nka sa man mi no nka egu. But omo plan. So irrespective of nyoma besisi ne sa ade no, Omai ne be ko nanim. Ghana ye ni plan. NDC started project we Ochina Olusu election MPP ba no mo agya because NDC for age kickback ni nyina wo. Start your model. NDC bomb secondary school year 3 years. MPP bomb say 4 years. NDC bomb Ghana city in your person way come. NDC MPP bomb ye way free. Baby a president no MPP 4 by a friend the Golden Jubilee House. NDC 4 by a friend the Flagstaff House. Ghana your plan ne sen. O mine ye basa o mine ni plan. Enti yan nipa 1 million person ye kan ye hu bom. Na ye catch NDC ni MPP say number 1 ye here a 20-year development plan for my way. And your plan na ya try to work at say vision 2020 no year na no munim say 2020 e beba no next year 2020 enti ye hia plan na ye de be ko parliament ye be na mra e be take a certain majority to change any part of it send ye be ya so bia be ye Ghana president kra na plan ne da ho ye nyina betumi edi so enti yan nipa 1 billion ye kan ye hubom an ya ka kirom say wa wo betumi aye ade we wo be oni e be sign apam say wo pese wo ye ade we ma ye no ye de 1 million vote no e be ma enti hono ne ye be organize the people's rally ye pese at the people's rally ye free NDC ne MPP no mo Independence Square a Ghana fo nyina wo ho no mo be kan kire say yo Ghana fo 20-year development plan no ya je atum ye be ye say na ye be ye no ye besi ye we say ye be te say no ye omko ye aye debate no omo select ye omo na nipa kakra bi akɔhye dem no omo ye debate ye pese ye debate no by Independence Square in front of everybody in Ghana.
Me so asem ba kon the all can na it makes sense sir. Say the million omo ye political party million omo ye pressure group.
Yeah, we are pressure group.
Okay.
It's a block.
It's a block.
Yes.
And he said
to be the third force and the kingmakers every election. We will decide based on performance, based on the agreements that we sign. Say you better way back in 1844. Bruni call and 24 a handful no. No catch on say the person be bomb who buying. Because no Bruni yan no maybe what a ponanwa or few say also holding on to. Into no more cacasa say, my main for way, most and some of the mammy I mean so my bomb who buying if we as antiphone or send a bear as antiphone to me by attacking when he say. Yet no chance I say yan sign paper. 1844. See yan sign a paper. No money Bruni chance sign the bond of 1844. And ne what na say no be abawo no because meye we one junction one baller one wache one willy no what to abama no kwa wanted can be one village one down on man way to one village one pothole enye MPP for ba abemu and come nim say Yesu Kristo awon ensanche no ye we ase say Ghana for ni be dam no mutu ye no utumi nantin so no so fam no do the other side. Entino emra so say obi be shebwa ye na sign the paper for the country as a whole ye nyina kwa Independence Square aye ye debate na nipa kakra bi ko she dan mu ye na de ye betwam wo obe ye na no ye wo de. But once we have a block, once we build a third force, we will force them to come to the Independence Square and meet the whole Ghana. That is the One Ghana rally. NDC and MPP and whoever wants to be what should come to the Independence Square and come and tell us why they want to win. And we are going to give them demands, including Yempe S. Gracia Wamemuha, Ye Mami, Ye Papa, Ye Nananom, Omu Ye Guma, 35 years, police in Yafinoko pension once. 40 years, 20 years, 25 years, no a pension ba akope. Obi ko pension and sika fian or the kofie. Eso parliamentarian sim pesa me som. Mo ma me ho kwan na me som. Oba sabu first term no buy na onyes loan over $100,000. Say a loan but they kotoka. The teacher ni charge 20 years, onya $100,000 loan. Waji enu ewie no after 4 years or say when am dey share me san me wie enti muntua meka ne amane sika ade e chen o say nura me wie ni e na say me start biem no san start biem in 2012 aban tua 44 million Ghana cedis ema parliamentarians in S. Gracia omo lose election omo kono omo je 3 billion old Ghana cedis. Omu winning omo twaso no omu je 2.7 billion. It is a 2012 omu je 44. Let's say 2016 yantum omu san je 44 krana, that is 88 million. So can ni man omemu ha. And cause omemu ha ano every week be also about to be chakwara bia 50 Ghana. So for kudidi because omu say sika ankasa. And you know, we are in a new era. This is a new Ghana. We are demanding value for votes. We are ending the era where people take S. Gracia. We are ending the era where people come and campaign and just go and it ends there. And your friend is saying the People's Project. The People's Project, Kameyaka Party. The People's Project, 1 million people. Demands are more they call a business. You try S. Gracia, S. Gracia, NDC MPP. Why not person try S. Gracia? Near more 1 million votes. NDC MPP. Why not pet so or drafted 20-year plan? More my way near more 1 million votes. But you, so what can say? Also, who say, "Hey, man, sign beer 1 million minya." And MPP assign, NDC assign. You see, women assign contract. You see, never ban say. A dear beer, Ubekasa Ubeyeno, Ubechre. Saying no. Ubechre how Ubeyeno. It's in the year 1 Ghana rally no. NDC MPP, Ubiasi ye be develop a 20-year plan ama Ghana. The way no to make transfer trauma manifesto no. Omun Santro send your bed drafted plan no. And the plan that they want for this country. Omo family independence ko omo be country nyina ama yente. Ye nyina tia, e be hu se we ne ye adwuma, e be ye. O prepare contract kra we propose akọ. Proposal it me be nipa 100, but if you hu nipa ye the man e be ye. It is a Ghana for year 1 million. Ye tie NDC ni tie MPP a. Ye be hu na the man e be ye. Now fan say that kro ye be da benyane. Na ye better say NDC ni MPP nyina agi atum say e was say ye drafted 20-year plan ma Ghana. E sa adam ne da e was say ye strategy ni. se omo mienu no se ye de be ma hwan se ye mfa ma hwan se omo agye atum po se Ghana needs a 20-year plan eno kwa a very significant move yaye se NDC ni MPP nyina agye atum se ye ntwa S Gratiam because omo pe vote eno kwa ya di bia e kire se emabunu ni nipa na wo mamuna komho abom a achieve bibi enti no just to get up and say yes mayor we so say yes mayor no eno ye pro eno kwa na wo say mayor niji but at any given time no we will look at a working plan and be able to decide who to give.
So other way, omanyanya process base eno kwa no just eno bibia okay now the people's project looking for 1 million people. How you recruit? Target one. That's the minimum.
That's the minimum. But you bring Now
how are you recruiting? Are you recruiting
on social media? It is working. In the 1930s and 40s, Emra na car enko Ghana baby. Emra na ye ni mobile phone. Emra na ye ni telephone lines. Emra na ye ni internet and social media. Me check Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Enipa bi to me kan ho bom. Et to me can send the whole Ghana obiate. They were able to preach a certain message to every corner of this country without radio and TV and gain independence for the country. And they didn't gain independence from any small country, but from a country that 75 years before independence had built train lines and stations under the earth. They gained independence from the British, a country that owned 24% of this total earth size. This is the country that Kwame Nkrumah and some people, without internet and social media and mobile phones, were able to mobilize and rally the whole country to gain independence.
Around a single purpose.
Yeah, around a single purpose. And then there were WhatsApp, there were Facebook, there were Twitter, there were mobile phones, there were emails. Why can't we put together 1 million people? On Facebook, we are gathering people. On WhatsApp, the message has spread across the globe. There were close to 500 chapters of the People's Project. From Kuwait, yes, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, UAE, England, Aguna Swedro, Takwa, Amasaman Pokwase, Madina Adenta. Everywhere you go, there is a TPP chapter. And we are growing bigger and bigger by the minute.
One will lead TPP. No?
Can it be?
One will lead TPP.
TPP was formed, registered by myself. And this was from watching a video that was sent to me by Bolari. Or share a video, no, not a NJ. And other send so share some video way. But maybe share a video, no. That day, I decided that we can do this. Because there was a part of the video where the guy said, if blacks in America can come together and vote as a bloc, they don't have to file any candidate to Obama. They only need to come together and tell the Republican Party or the Democrat Party.
So as a bloc, this is what we want.
We have 45 million votes, and this is what we want. And any party will break down anything to get those votes. So I started TPP with 3 people. Today, just too many people. So I'm leading TPP. You have a call for interim executives election all over. You 3 people from every chapter. It's happening in Turkey for almost select executives, interim executives, same as Italy, same as Belgium, same as Central region, same as Eastern region, Ashanti region. It's going on and on. TPP is led. Now
membership they mostly youth, and I say, Obia or sort of frustrated with the system of MPP and DCB to me joining. What is the
membership of TPP? Yes, it's not just the youth, but it's people, especially Nippon Mwe Tukwan. And Nippon Mwe Tukwan, when say Britain, we be any ho, but was sebi. and that is wisdom and common sense. And nunti and as ye wa akwara, even though omu ni koko, but akwara no betumi anu milo. Omu ni gold, omu ni diamond, omu ni natural gases, omu ni oil, omu ni bauxite, but omu tumi man akwara ye wo afida na omu abebenya mo no. Kosi se ebe wo, kosi se obekɔ school di 18 no, aban betumi ahwew. San krofo no hwe nnwoma yen ye wo ha. Ayen tumi ye street light, motorway na ye san Jessica wo so no so a na mo bo afu. Aye san krofo no dodo and joining the people's project. Aye san krofo no na enye enkwara na asempanyfo. Emails I'm receiving no one. I receive too many emails. Me ye soldier ni penny, me ye police ni penny, me ye way as a bit free.
I want to
people's project. I want to join some emails Chelsea. I can never read them. Cecilia Yeka say I have tens of thousands of emails that get to make kind.
But someone join the TPP.
Yes.
Now, don't you get overwhelmed? How you plan? Also, new departments and the plan here.
Yeah.
And they say when your membership across, you say now.
Yeah.
So going forward, what is the structure of TPP? No.
Any pan on nim. To say bia NDC for lose election 2016. Like Nkofo say na omu nim so mbe lose a. Ya na na kakra Nkofo no mu hunia eba no. Because me 2016 na me nim say 2016 once a campaign na ye bo shipa. Me transfer me vote kwa asan ase. That's the hottest spot in any election. One of because observer because I knew we would defeat them. Enti no enipa na ennim omonte Ghana politics ase no. Eya bibi ba omu especially omo ye omo power no. Yes. Enti no me I'm not overwhelmed. Me nim say Ghana for buefu. And people like you obia otese me papa KSM. Enipa omo ye objective. E was a sandy pani nyina ba together. Especially mo amu mabobra pa ko mo mabobra. E was some mobile together na mo one year build the TPP. The reason is that I was saying nyina boom na ye manage the anger of people. Enipa mo buefu no ye manage obufu no. Ye mediate between the angry people and the political elite. And yes sir, to say Duncan Williams kind say ye ntumi anka sani pe yambo na ye protect your democracy na ye minor one day ombubefu ombe sorry ebedu ho na ye too late.
Until you see that anger exploding, is that what you're saying? Say ye young for manage high explosion no. Sa me person me follow logic ni.
Omo betumi ama nkofo ati asese democracy na ye wo no eye chen anarchy. See to me church system which ye because se wo kan enkrofo hye se wo dada enkrofo che se wo deny omo their right to free speech, human rights and administrative justice. It can be compared to forcing large volumes of gases into a tiny space. It will explode and the consequences will be fatal. When you force large gases into a tiny space, that is a bomb to explode. And you know, for so many years, people have been lied to. Make our national chief imam. Also, I've seen 5 presidents, and they have all come and promised to build my market. Yes, I've seen 5. Omon Ferradi po. Omon Ferradi. NDC and MPP. Omon to make our national chief imam. I could try and trust over the market. Oka won't be. Now the next one now. The next one was some baby. Omo Ferradi. You see police station Amafadama. Omo ko no me buy a promise. Ni abotobo ye. Omo ko omo maybe. Omo Ferradi. Na ka obe kan tro Ghana akwa chief imam kan tro. Na send this in MPP. Omo to me twa chief imam dra. Wa what if about there to me talk. Anadua ya nkwanta.
Really.
Wo dey dey we dey. Obi otumi ko tra chief imam. What in nkyan a wo tumi feel say from maybe buffer who say wabrabo no baby ekọ no omu tumi tra ne nchen twa ne ntro omu mfara de omu nsura de omu mu ade na se omu tumi kotwa asante hene ntro omutwa chief imam ntro omutwa tobu afet ntro omutwa yana ntro omutwa osofo ntro omutwa obi antro wa wote kwan ho de omunya ombesa ombabo omutwa ntro bi na bisasa ombesa bo. And so the people have been angry for a very long time, and everybody who wants to enjoy their peace, who wants to protect the democracy and the country that we live in, must be part of putting the angry masses together and manage their anger and use democracy and the rule of law to achieve what they want. I don't think there's anybody, especially in this government, who say they will not give people that right to demonstrate, to demand, because His Excellency the President today is the biggest beneficiary of the right to this and the right to that and the right to that. Organizing demonstration could be prepared. No role is no power. And it has been series upon series. And I know him. He's a Democrat. Or game we say, anything no call Al Jazeera no. You be saying say adentin na on year gay rights. On legalize the gay rights. Ghana no. Or say because microphone ba together in demand here. So what we are doing is motivated by the president's speech on Al Jazeera.
You are getting together to demand
20-year plan. End to ex gratia. The president stated that when he was in the UK, small groups were coming up, and they were demanding, and they were agitating, and so and so and so, and then they became a larger group, and then they fought for the for gay rights. In Ghana, nobody is demanding it. The president is telling you that come together and demand, and we are going to do it.
President, what for power?
Yes.
When you say what when you say we TPP as MBA.
Oh, the president is a Democrat. He's very tolerant. I'll be surprised if he's not. I'll be very surprised if Nana Akufo.
Say what fro say A plus. The DNA. Ina ukwe. The way na be ha ya ban kakra. What the new ideas, new thoughts ni mama a bit me high as a political party, which is very true. Kadena Bakajan.
Kameka say who here see a basic cathedral. I said, Nana, so what me vote there? Cathedral, and who here see a basic. Say your basic pa and your baby a wusi no. Say your bekwa kubu dan yagu. Abanye pay 15 million for offices for Southern and Middle Belt Development Authorities. But owadan you to me bugu. Edisi asore. In Cairo, Omo would see a new city because Cairo is congested. And so they moved 400 kilometers from Cairo to the middle of nowhere and built a cathedral, the biggest church in the Gulf region, and a mosque, just to attract developers and investors into that area. And that is how they laid the foundation to a whole new city that they want to build. Ghana, we see a cathedral. We see Yanko see what rage, maybe a traffic war hope de that. Yanko bubu dan yen sinsi ho. Cathedral no number 1 ehun hia. But so if you say ehun hia mpo ne yensia, asase e de free amasama poku ase de konsa mo machi ho. Enka ho so betumi adane kru, wo si cathedral si ho na, ho be ye kru, enipa be move akọ. E betumi asi no kru foforo. Ga enkran ayama inso to efa nipa. Enti nka fra wo kwan so ho be bi ne ekosi cathedral na start a new city wo ho a. Enka cathedral betumi asi wo Tamale. Na ho na ye executive no capital for Ghana. Na Accra ye commercial because in South Africa we were 3. Judiciary no Cape Town. Aban no Pretoria. And friend saying parliament no is it Bloemfontein or something. The move back. My name say Pretoria Cape Town in Bloemfontein move back. Johannesburg is just like, if you ask me, a commercial capital for South Africa. Ghana there na me hu baby aye dwen ko. Nti se nana do pese me ye ti ase se aban no ya ade bi e beboa ye njai cathedral nisi ye besi ye yin free baby aye kosi no ye fa nko baby foforo ye nye nneoma te se ne ye wo Rwanda and ye ti Ghana my Ghana yetumi de yen ho toto Rwanda yen kohwade omo ye wo ho na Rwanda na fe ne Ghana my on 1.2 weeks no make nipa 800,000 and ne Ghana kusua de wo ho enye ni wo
into TPP is the solution.
TPP is the solution to all the problems because all the problem NDC and NPP. And so long as we can have a third force to put pressure on NDC and NPP, that will be the beginning of the end of the problem.
What seems to excite me is you're not talking about another political party, but also creating an awareness, political awareness.
Yes.
Power only person, they can decide where to put the pressure on the party.
The power belongs to the people, and we have to let NDC and NPP know. Can you imagine say you have to about 2020 election, no? Second round.
Can you
after one term election for second round? If you want to obia obedi on my way so no, ebetnasi no man ni ada ho. If the people can punish both NDC and NPP, and this and politician are do so we are since obey lose election. Opposition here me share politician be 3 months after fear be no hwehwe passport wo nya bi. O ni obi bet na your passport am me hwe ni din me say 10.
Akonko.
Yeah, akonko. Who pay passports? And I'm a coha, I'm church from what me. Say, hey, 3 months, we a minister. After 3 months, if you are going to me your passport. Okay. NDC MPP, I do show your position. And we have to take advantage of that. Can you imagine how beautiful Ghana will be if every 4 years we make demands and make sure that demands are on my year and sign a day. To Obama and I say no more sign the paper. Say within this time frame or so to me idea when you
it was okay. They can very very exciting.
Every 4 years. Can you 20 years when you Ghana be? Every 4 years you demand the BB. Every 4 years you demand. They say and this NPP some person near 1 million votes now. Make Tamale the executive capital. Flagstaff House in KDC is because see what Tamale. No BBA ye abayno enko and by this time Tamale it can another city. If we are demanding something every 4 years, in 16 years, that's 4 elections, Ghana will be like Dubai.
We say, can you trust Ghanaians? The Ghana etimika so the bulk of the people are who cast a TPP say who trust pass Ghana for are frustrated to that extent and angry to that extent that you can mobilize.
No money leader. And on one, almost person leaders no more say ebedi o matem. Until be a kwashe, but you do pempen so be a TPP ne enyi dodo. Until do hu shemu a hono mum ne ebebo ye nsama ma wo. Obi o join TPP bia no and that is the new thing. And no na chese we a guy. Obi and hu obi no say me this MPP am hwe
say you don't know what's happening.
Bibi ha. And then ye koso ni TPP. And no next say like we a guy like what you say. You see obia na say me nipa bi kwatra me bi na boys bi di nkomo madam for back or a founding member of TPP. Na omo ye di nkomo no ti hodin na boys say me I dey TPP right now. No yi ne phone or the say see me I be I dey this chapter I dey this no mo di nkomo no argument see. Into omo kan omo asemi nyina wie and no catch on say me too, I'm a member of TPP. Because the boys and companies almost swan. Near Kosuni TPP, Obia or Mem have brandies in MPP. Omo Bunipa Chedogo. Oma Dada Nipache. Omankasa Dada Nipa, but say no, and Tronesi. Omankasa Common Trom Betribute. A see like an Trona Corset trade.
Plus, and Midas say, when you have a Casa. Now I bet Cheche TPP ni. What you're talking about, say. A new mindset will create in Ghana. The bulk of the people who say, Charlie, 2 million some. Near the anti-party, near mum, you have a more pressure group, near put pressure on whoever was over there. So,
apart from say, anti-party, young country will be also on to Abamai. Young country will be also on your demands, mine. I say, baby, I want Casawatin. Say, Ubiba Hosso by your campaigner. A dinner with you, a hospital, a police station, a school. Catch and say, by senior and call him. Na yanko tenase. Na yanko sign a paper. Say ye to Abama, we be see a school, no, then so to a cum, we be seen a full. Na you sign a paper, and we say, we be see ya sign the paper back to us as a 1 year, no granny, and ya would then. o say me say twerɛ no so ka ho na wa twerɛ no so aka ho na yɛde ne nyinaa to ɔhene ne palace ho said we see in 2 years no we see a school ya man Kwame Plus nka so bia nto aba ma no ɛna me nka so ye mu nyinaa wo fa mo power ma me na me nkoka ncha Akufo Addo say ye beto ama wo wan kasa bibia wote no demand development before you vote
Yedase wakasa A+. Kwame A+. Enti you see here we are observing, we are watching. Say TPP ya would vim near ya betan kan nyina no me fro behind 6 months time beton kan say KSM say and I say KSM I didn't go see you
I know sir 6 months time ya ba na say I didn't go see you e be do ho no now no communication director internet dey bisa wo no be
Hey plus that's so boy okay and bombing common there and come on de to mahwa metwemo mirika krebi my bro embra de ma me so men den na ye price and come on ebo no come on de we say we person guy ya TPP e be sen aba